Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to a home crafted with love, where every detail reflects the care and dedication of its original owners. Located in Manchester and set on almost 2 acres of land, this spacious property offers comfort, function, and room to grow. The main house features a large downstairs suite, a powder room for easy access, and 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms upstairs, including a peaceful master suite. Each bedroom is beautifully finished with real hardwood floors. The closets and banister are crafted from hardwood, adding warmth and elegance throughout. With an expansive kitchen, family, living, and dining room, the home is perfect for intimate family moments or lively gatherings. Outdoors, you will find 2 versatile outbuildings, a self contained 1 bedroom flat, nicely suited for your living help, a separate kitchen designed for barbecues or entertaining. The grounds are abundant with fruit trees and produce, plus an unfenced area ideal for farming, a large rainwater harvesting system with filtration, ample parking, and 2-car garage provide both sustainability and convenience. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a place to entertain, this home's thoughtful design is ready to be cherished by its new owners. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 425,000, Jamaican 67 million, Canadian 608.3 thousand, Euro 390.3 thousand, or 330.3 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.